Hi guys, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and we're making another card today. And we are using Anna Griffin's Empress Gild, and it says low, medium, and high. We have it on high, and I have it on for 5 minutes, and I didn't start the video until about 3 minutes in because I didn't want you to have to hang out just wasting time. We're using a 3D braided die. It's the braided die. I don't wear glasses unless I'm reading a book and not crafting, so I don't even keep them in here. So yeah, I need my glasses. Braided, and that's what it would look like if you're not using the Gild, but we are. So let's see how it turns out, and I'm going to show you the mistakes and what we're going to do to work through them. And we're going to cut it. I'm going to show you how to take it off here since it's a die, and how to cut it through the Empress Elite or your Empress. This machine has to be used with Anna's machine of the Empress Elite or Empress, an actual machine, not a crank. So we have a minute and a half. So also, we're using some of her shimmer cardstock, I think, all Anna's product, and we're using the Perfect Palette Antique foils. And I set me up a box to store all of just her hot Gild plates. So yeah, that's what's in there. I have to organize it and write the names and all that good stuff, but I had one empty box and I put it to use. It's a heavy, nice box. This is Anna Griffin. You can go buy that. The link to shop will be in the comments, and remember, if you share any of my videos of Anna Griffin's, then you will be a part of the giveaway that I do once a month. I have extra die sets. Some of them are 3D. They're worth $45 to $65, but I'm in her monthly mystery box. This year's totally different. Last year she gave us extra dies and stuff from the warehouse, which was wonderful. I got a lot of stuff I had never gotten before that I didn't even think they had anymore. But now I have extra dies, so each month I give a die away. But this month, or this year, 2026, her mystery boxes are all coordinated. Oh, it is beautiful. So you know, I put this here to keep the heat in, but we're going to move it. We're going to pull it out. We're going to hold it like this, and we're going to put it through the machine, and you'll hear that. We're going to run it through the machine twice, because now we're just pressing the hot foil onto the cardstock that I chose, and you'll see that. So now we have to get the magnet and stuff, and we just push on there, and then it all comes off. So you see I have tick marks to have it in the center. Don't use up high. These filaments and all, some reason, don't work as well on the two pieces, so always do it from the bottom. And all. We did it for 5 minutes instead of 3 because it's a big piece. So let's cut it out and see what comes out of it. Then, after cutting it, I'm going to stop the video, make a card with it, with embellishments and everything, and see how we use all her coordinating and all her stuff. So okay, let's take it off. Let's see if it's hot. No, it's not. We can take this piece off. Those little pieces are flying away. Take this piece off and this piece. Okay, now let's see. Oh, it was a grayish green, and then this magenta pink. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, and save those little pieces, because I think she's going to come out with something to let us reuse this right here. So let's put this off to the side, and let's just move this out of the way. Ugh. And show you. Look at the braids. Look at the magenta. Look how pretty that is. That is so nice. And now I'm going to make a card with it. And anywhere that didn't do it as well, it means I should have done it longer. I should have had this, instead of 5, I might have had to go 6 because it wasn't heating all the way to the edge. But guess what? I'm going to still use it because it's pretty. I like it. So there you go. I'm going to make a card and I'll come back and show you what the card's about. Thank you.